English learners, welcome back. I'm Sophie, and I'm happy to be here with you again.
And I'm Daniel. It feels so good to join you. Sophie, how was your day?
Busy but nice. And now it's time to relax and talk about evenings.
Yes, today we're going to share our night routines.
We'll talk about what we usually do after work or school, step by step.
Simple sentences, natural phrases, and personal stories.
And by the end, you'll be ready to describe your own night routine in English.
Great, let's start.
For me, evenings begin when I come home from work. I take off my shoes, drop my bag, and say, "Finally, I'm home."
Same here. I arrive home, put my keys down, and just sit on the sofa for a few minutes. I need that little break.
I know that feeling. A short rest makes a big difference.
After resting, I usually change my clothes. I like to wear something more comfortable. Change into comfy clothes.
Me too. I put on pajamas or just a soft t-shirt. It feels so relaxing.
Do you eat dinner right away?
Not right away. First, I wash my hands and maybe drink water. Then, I start cooking.
Do you cook every night?
Almost. I make simple meals, rice with vegetables or pasta.
Sounds healthy. I don't always cook. Sometimes I order food, order takeout.
That's easy too. What's your favorite?
Maybe noodles or pizza.
Classic choices. I enjoy soup in the evening. Warm soup.
Dinner really sets the mood for the evening.
Yes, it feels like the day slows down.
Do you eat dinner alone?
Sometimes yes, sometimes with family. It depends on the day.
I usually eat with my sister. We talk about our day, share stories.
That's nice. Talking during dinner makes it feel warmer.
After dinner, what do you usually do?
I clean the dishes and tidy the kitchen. Wash the dishes.
Same here. If I don't, I feel stressed in the morning.
Exactly. A clean kitchen helps me rest.
After that, I like to take a shower. Evening shower.
I sometimes shower at night too. It makes me sleep better.
The warm water is calming.
Do you watch TV after showering?
Sometimes, yes. I watch a short series or some YouTube.
I like YouTube too. Sometimes English videos, sometimes cooking shows.
Do you read at night?
Yes, but not every day. I read for about 15 minutes. Bedtime reading.
I usually scroll my phone. Not a good habit, I know.
I do that too. It's hard to stop.
True. But reading feels better for sleep.
Do you prepare things for the next day?
Yes, I pack my bag and choose my clothes. Prepare for tomorrow.
I sometimes do that too. It saves time in the morning.
Exactly. It feels like I'm already one step ahead.
Do you write a to-do list?
Sometimes, if the next day looks busy, I write tasks down.
That's smart. I usually just check my calendar. Check calendar.
Do you drink anything before bed?
I like warm milk or herbal tea. Bedtime tea.
I drink water. Simple and easy.
Do you snack at night?
Not really. I try not to eat late.
Same. I feel heavy if I eat late.
So, no midnight snacks for us.
What about relaxing time? Do you play games or listen to music?
Sometimes I play guitar. Sometimes I listen to soft music, relaxing music.
Nice. I sometimes do stretching before bed, light stretching.
That helps the body relax.
Yes, and it makes me sleep better.
Speaking of sleep, what time do you go to bed?
Around 11. Sleep at 11.
I try for 10:30, but often it's later.
Do you use your phone in bed?
Sadly, yes. I scroll for a while.
Same here, but I try to put it down earlier.
That's a good habit.
Do you set an alarm before sleeping?
Always. I set 2 alarms, just in case. Set the alarm.
I set mine for 7. Without it, I would never wake up.
Same. The alarm is my best friend in the morning.
Before sleeping, do you think about your day?
Sometimes I think about what I did well and what I can do better. Reflect on the day.
I do that too. It helps me feel calm.
Then I turn off the light, close my eyes, and say goodnight.
Same here. A deep breath, close my eyes, and rest. So, Sophie, what's one thing you never skip at night?
Brushing my teeth. Without it, I can't sleep.
Same for me. Also, checking that my phone is charging. Phone charging.
Good point. I always forget that.
Do you think night routines affect the next day?
Definitely. A calm night makes a better morning.
I agree. It's all connected.
So, tomorrow I'll try to read more and use my phone less.
And I'll try to prepare my bag earlier.
Small steps help us improve.
Yes, little by little.
All right, time to finish our talk.
Thanks for listening, everyone. We hope this conversation helps you describe your own night routine.
Try saying the sentences out loud and practice tonight.
And remember, practice every day makes English easier.
Exactly. Have a good night and see you next time.